5 minutes earlier to 9 a.m., type TTD in the browser and click on TTD official website link. Then click on the online services option. Then choose Darshan option link. It redirects to TTD official online website. Here click on online services link and then choose Srivani and other trust donations link. It redirects to another Tirupati Balaji official website dedicated only for Srivani and other trust donation darshan tickets online booking. For the first time user, you need to sign up. For step-by-step sign up process video, please refer the link in the description. Once you get the credentials, please enter the credentials and CAPTCHA, then click on login button. It redirects to home page. In the home page, click on Srivani Trust donation link. It redirects to the page where we need to enter the donation amount. For each darshan ticket, need to donate 10,000 rupees. Maximum 40,000 rupees can be donated for 4 darshan tickets. Here, please note the important tip for Srivani current day booking. As per the latest changes, at 9 a.m., out of 800, only 500 darshan tickets are available. Due to huge demand for Srivani VIP current day tickets, you will get very less time to book the tickets. So, better in my opinion, per login, try to book one ticket only. If you need the maximum 4 tickets, then you need to create 4 separate logins and try to book the tickets. In this video, I am explaining how to book one ticket per login. So, to get this kind of latest step-by-step online booking videos, please subscribe to our channel. Exactly at 9 a.m., enter the donation amount as 10,000 rupees. Then click on the 2 check boxes as shown in the video. Then click on continue button. You will get the confirmation pop-up screen with message, do you wish to avail the TTD Break Darshan? Click on the current booking button. You will get an error message as shown in this video if you click on this current booking button earlier than 9 a.m. So, please keep in mind to click on this current booking button exactly at 9 a.m. If darshan tickets are available, then you will get a confirmation message pop up. Read the instructions and click on Yes button. It redirects to the page which displays the available tickets quota for the current day, the reporting time for darshan, the pending tickets for payment count, and successfully booked tickets count. Here, the important tip you need to keep is the personal details like the name as per ID proof, age, gender, ID proof type. You need to choose Aadhaar for Indians. For NRIs, choose the passport. All this information you keep it in a notepad. So you can quickly enter and click on continue button. Due to the huge demand for Srivani VIP current day tickets, please note that while you are in process of booking ticket, if you get an alert message as shown in the video, and in this pop-up message even the available tickets shows 0, please observe another column in payment process. If it is showing some count greater than 0, then you need to wait in the same page without clicking the OK button. If payment fails for others, the count gets refreshed. If available quota shows count more than 0, then immediately click on OK button and enter the personal details quickly and proceed with payment option. It will redirect to the page which displays the payment information and enter pilgrim details. For each 10,000 rupees donation, you need to pay extra 500 rupees per ticket for darshan. That's why in payment summary, it shows the amount as 10,500 rupees. TTD provides two payment gateways, Union Bank of India and ICICI Bank. If you want to pay through UPI option, then choose the Union Bank of India. For other payment option, you can choose either of any of these payment gateways. Click on Pay Now button. It redirects to the different payment options page. Choose whichever the payment option you are comfortable and complete the payment process. If the payment is successful, then it redirects to the home page. If you want to download the darshan receipt, then click on the transaction history link. It redirects to the page where you need to select the service as Srivani current day bookings. It displays the booking summary details. Here you need to click on the folder icon under the receipt column. It displays the Srivani VIP current day darshan tickets where you can print or download the receipt. If any tickets remain unbooked under this quota will be added back to Srivani VIP current day booking quota. Now let's see how to book the Srivani VIP current day tickets at 1 p.m. slot. Log into TTD Balaji official website. It will take you to the home page. In the home page, click on Srivani Trust Donations link. It will redirect to the donation page. Here, enter the donation amount as 10,000 rupees. Click on the check boxes as shown in the video and then click on Continue button. After 1 p.m., click on Current Booking button. If darshan slots are available, it will ask for confirmation. Then click on Yes button. Fill the pilgrim details and click on Continue button and complete the payment process. Sometimes when slots are not available, it shows the alert message with details like quota for the day, successfully booked, in payment process and available tickets. Here the important tip to note is if in payment process is showing some count, then you need to wait in the same page without clicking OK button. If the payment fails for the others, then the count gets refreshed. If the available quota shows the count more than 0, then immediately click on OK button, enter the details and proceed with the payments. If the in payment process count it is very less, then getting the ticket is very tough. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.